looking for a new ride, so I'm searching through Facebook Marketplace. This one here looks promising. It's a Honda, and pretty much says nothing is wrong with it. And not to mention, the guy said he would take $2,300.
Alright, when I bought this car, it was going to be Deadpool inspired. Deadpool themed car, right? It's red and black. Favorite colors. Well, the engine's bad in this one, so fuck that one. So, oddly enough, with the new movie, I got a van. Guess what? This is a Deadpool inspired van too, because of that. Now, I only paid $2,300 for this one. He was asking a lot more, as you've seen at the very beginning, which this is what I got. I get to put it together. Gotta love these Facebook used cars, because they fucking just fall apart. He wants the stereo back. I don't think I'm going to give it to him, though. He gave me a new one. But he also said the doors are just off track, and I had to buy all kinds of stuff for the doors. And yeah, there's also a vibration while it's driving. See that mount? After that's on, it's supposed to make the vibration go away. So I guess the listing didn't say anything about that. Hey, it runs and drives good. Had the right amount of miles on this odometer. But Jesus Christ, come on, guys. You need to put all the faults of the vehicles before you try to sell them. And then on top of that, we had to wait for the title to come in to his mother. And when he tried to give me the title today, it's still not notarized. So I'm still waiting on the title to get notarized so I can have the title. But in the meantime, I at least need... See, this one don't even work at all. So I need a door that works other than the front two and the back one. So I guess I'm going to be working on this for now. This is a 2005 Honda Odyssey. Runs and drives good, but a lot of shit I got to do to it. Yay. That's what I get for buying used cars for $2,300, I guess.